Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be solving the regular expression matching problem on LeetCode, which is number 10 and it's rated hard, and today we're going to be doing it in C++. Now, before we get into the code, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out the way, let's hop right into it. Alright, so in this code segment, we have a 2D Boolean array dp where dpij indicates whether the substring of s from index 0 to I minus 1 matches the substring of p from index 0 to j minus 1. So we initialize the dp array with false except for dp00, which is set to true since an empty string always matches an empty pattern. That's right here. We then use two nested loops to fill the DP array dynamically. Let's delve into the logic behind it. So when p of j minus 1 is, we have two cases. A, 0 occurrences of the character before the apostrophe or the quotations, and in this case, we set up dpij to dpij minus 2. One or more occurrences of the character, and then B, one or more occurrences of the character before the quotation, we check if the current characters in S and P match, or if the character before the quotation is a period, which would be the wildcard. If so, we set dpij to dpi minus 1j. And then we have when pj minus 1 is not an asterisk, we simply check if the current characters in S and P match, or if pj minus 1 is a period, which would also again be the wildcard. If so, we set dpij to dpi minus 1, j minus 1. Alright, so now let's go ahead and run this. Alright, and that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below. Drop a comment if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.